So I'll be showing you how to remove music from your Instagram reel. So let's say you're posting an Instagram reel and you've gotten to this particular stage, or in fact, let me just start over. So let's go to Instagram reels and try to post a reel. Here we are. So there are two ways you can remove music. You can either remove music you've added using Instagram, or you can remove music that you added or that was added during the recording process. Maybe you recorded a video in a place that had music and that's the music you want to remove. So I'll show you how to remove both types of music. So let's get an example of a video like this one. So when I increase my phone's volume, you'll hear this video is recorded in a place that had music. So the music is in the original audio. And so to get rid of that music, tap on the music icon and then tap on controls. And then you'll have the option to remove the original audio. Okay. And I can turn it down all the way to 0 and then tap on done. And then when I go back, now you'll notice even if I increase the volume, I have removed the original audio that had music. Now, if you had added music by tapping on that and then selecting from one of the songs available on Instagram and then maybe add music like that, and then you change your mind and you don't want that song anymore, to remove that particular music, tap on that, or rather, yeah, just tap on that music icon and then once again go to controls, and then under controls you should see the option. So this is the music. Okay, you can turn the volume all the way down, but if you want to remove it, tap on edit and then select remove, and that music is going to get removed, and then you can tap on done. So those are the two ways you can remove music from your Instagram reel before you post it. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.